In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a standard operating procedure document step by step using Notion. SOPs are essential if you want to scale your business, train team members faster, or simply make sure tasks are done the same way every single time. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or part of a growing team, this process will save you hours in the long run. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your workspace. From your main dashboard, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on the arrow to open the main menu. This gives you access to additional options and settings inside Notion. Next, from the menu, click on Templates. This will open Notion's built-in template gallery, where you can find pre-made layouts for many different use cases. Once the Templates page loads, move to the search bar and type in SOP. This will filter the templates and show you options specifically designed for standard operating procedures. After the results appear, click on the SOP template. Take a moment here to review what's included, such as sections for purpose, scope, responsibilities, and step-by-step instructions. When you're ready to use it, click on the Add button. This will instantly add the SOP template to your Notion workspace. Now that the template has been added, click on the SOP page itself to open it fully. You'll now see the structure of your standard operating procedure laid out for you. At the top of the page, click on the SOP title and rename it to match the process you're documenting. Be specific here, so anyone reading it knows exactly what the procedure covers. Below the title, start customizing the content. Click into each section and replace the placeholder text with your own information. Clearly describe the purpose of the procedure, who it's for, and when it should be used. As you move into the Steps section, write each step in clear, simple language. Imagine someone brand new is following this for the first time. If needed, you can add sub-steps, checklists, or even screenshots and videos to make the SOP easier to follow. Continue clicking through the SOP sections and adjusting them to fit your workflow. You can duplicate sections, delete anything you don't need, and rearrange blocks so the document flows logically. Once everything is filled out, review the SOP from top to bottom to make sure it's clear, accurate, and easy to understand. And that's it. You've successfully built a standard operating procedure document in Notion using a template. This SOP can now be shared with your team, duplicated for other processes, and updated anytime your workflow changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.